Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're doing a review, a comparison between ChatGPT and Julius AI. So I'm gonna start with Julius. Let's start with the overview. Yeah. Have you wondered how those super smart chatbots work? Well, artificial intelligence power tools like Julius AI and ChatGPT, they can do everything from writing stories to analyzing complex data sets. But with so many AI options, which one does the best job? So this is a big problem because now you have to choose the right AI tool, which is tough. You want the one with the most features, the easiest interface, and results that help you work faster. So, because diving into data analysis and data visualization gets overwhelming fast. Let's break down the differences between Jumia AI and ChatGPT to figure out which of these AI powerhouses is the best fit for your needs. So let's get started. And this is Julius AI website, and we're going to start with it. You see, Julius AI is your own personalized AI data analyst. Think of it like having a super smart data whiz on call. It crunches numbers and makes fancy charts and graphs. Yep, charts and graphs. Some of which, so it's a graph. Just a few questions from you. Yeah, very easy to make for them. So Julius AI is ready to transform data into insights. You can start with a free trial and experience the power of AI-driven data analysis by signing up. So those are the key benefits. Now, the key benefits of Junior AI are speed. Get insight from your data in seconds, not hours. Ease of use. No coding or complex data science knowledge needed. Fancy visualization. So it gives you charts, graphs, and even animations to make your data pop. Now, when it comes to pricing, basic plan is $29 per month, essential $45 per month, pro $60 per month, and team $70 per month. So let's look at it. It's easy to use, easy to use interface. It handles complex data. It creates cool visuals, saves you lots of time, and explains findings clearly. But the con is that the pricing is likely not upfront because you see the price I just mentioned. It depends. It depends. That is general price. Sorry, that was the general price I gave you, but they also have plans for bigger teams and more advanced features too. So it can vary. And it can enhance minor glitches, and it's not for super advanced tasks too. So let's look at ChatGPT next. Now this is ChatGPT. Most of us know ChatGPT. Now you can think of it as your AI buddy that's always up for a chat. It can write stories, answer your questions, and even try to crack a joke or two. It is really versatile. Now, if you're ready to transform your data into insights, try ChatGPT, do a free trial, experience the power. Now it is super creative. The benefits, let's look at the benefits of ChatGPT. Super creative, yes. You can write different kinds of poems, text, codes, scripts, you name it. It's always learning. It's another good benefit. The more you chat with ChatGPT, the smarter it gets, and it is surprisingly knowledgeable. It has access to a massive amount of information. Massive amounts. And when it comes to pricing, we have the free version, and you can get a ton of values in the free version. You can also use a plus plan, which pay $20 per month to give you faster responses, priority access, and easy access to new features. You can use the pro, gives you everything in the plus plan, and unlimited access to ChatGPT 4.0 and 0.1. Now, yeah, it does, which is really good, and you pay $200 per month for pro. Now, let us look at the pros and the cons. The pros is that ChatGPT helps you with ideas and questions. It knows a lot about different stuff. It can help with schoolwork. It's always there to chat. It can even show you pictures. Now the cons is that sometimes it misses up the answers and it can get confused if you trick it. So if you ask a question, it can get confused. Now let's look at do a feature comparison of Julius AI and ChatGPT. Now let's do a feature comparison. Let's go. Let's see. The first thing I'm going to do is this analysis. Yes, we've done all this for you already, so we'll give you a summary of what we've done. Now, when it comes to data analysis, Julius AI excels at handling complex data files, providing Providing actionable insights for data-driven decision making, it is ideal for thorough business analysis. Now, when it comes to ChatGPT, it can process information, but its strength lies in language generation, not data analysis. Now, when it comes to natural language processing (NLP), Julius AI understands and interprets data-related questions using natural language querying for easy interaction. While ChatGPT is a master of natural language processing, it excels in conversational language, understanding complex questions and providing nuanced responses. Now, when it comes to code generation, Julius AI can generate and execute code for data manipulation and automation tasks. ChatGPT offers robust code generation capabilities, providing explanation and even debugging help. Guess what's who the winner is. Next, let's look at data visualization. Julius AI is a star in creating charts, graphs, and visualizations that make your data easy to understand. While ChatGPT can generate basic text-based description of data but lacks advanced visualization too. Next, we're going to look at creative text generation feature. When it comes to this, Julius AI can handle simple creative text formats but lacks the finesse for high quality outputs. While ChatGPT has creative writing skills which are truly expressive, generates poem scripts, marketing copy, and more. And when it comes to integration, Julius AI seamlessly integrates with popular data tools and platforms, enhancing its capability. While ChatGPT primarily focuses on its conventional interface, it offers fewer out-of-the-box integration. So when it comes to user interface, Julius AI, the workspace-like interface designed for data analysis with a clear focus on visualization, while ChatGPT has a simple chat-like interface. You can see very simple chat-like interface built for intuitive human-like conversations. So which should you choose? You need to check out those things before you can choose. Before you choose, focus on the priority. That is your need. Yes, do you need in-depth data analysis or versatile conversational AI? This will be your biggest deciding factor. Next, check your budget. Yes, consider your budget. Because just AI pricing scales the data volumes and functionality, while that ChatGPT Plus offers a fixed monthly cost. When it comes to ease of use, Julius AI offers a guided workflow while ChatGPT relies on your ability to ask the right questions. And if you anticipate needing both data analysis and creative text generation, a combination of these tools might be the best long-term solution. You can use both. It is as simple as that. Now for us, we give Julius AI a 9 and ChatGPT an 8 for our own analysis based on the research we did. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to try it out for yourself and see the one that best works. Not trying out the free ones. If you want to use both, you can even use both. So see you in the next video. Bye.